welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Jenna Lynn, and if you're returning, thanks so much for returning. So today's video is more of like a two-parter to my first one, sort of, something like that. If you have not watched already, I will link it up in the cards below, and it's always linked in the description box down below as well. Above, did I say above, below? I don't know. But it's in both places. Make sure you go check that out if you're interested. It was me cleaning this room, taking out my Christmas decorations, kind of creating a little bit of a fresh start. And also we are starting to it's spring's coming, it's the new year, we're going to start fixing up our house a little bit more. And I'm starting with this room. I already have the paint, so I will be painting that. So I needed to get it really cleaned up and ready to start that. So I did go ahead and film me taking all that stuff down and cleaning. So again, go check that out if you haven't already. And I talked a little bit in the beginning about what's sort of been going on. I didn't go into detail, kind of why I've been missing a little bit. So I didn't want to make that video too long, so that one was just like my master bedroom video, and this one's kind of like a part two. I'm actually going to be going through the rest of my house and taking down all the rest of my Christmas decorations and cleaning up a little bit. Again, I don't want to make these videos too crazy long, but if you like long videos, leave me a comment down below and let me know which one you prefer. If you like them shorter or longer, let me know. But that's what we're going to be doing today, is taking down the rest of my Christmas decorations around my house. There's not a whole lot. It's mainly my living room. So I'm going to be taking that down, cleaning up a little bit, and I'm going to show you guys that. So if you guys need a little bit of motivation, definitely continue watching. But beforehand, if you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so right down below. And hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload. I'm going to try and get back on my little routine. At least one video a week, and I'm going to shoot for 2. Sorry, my dogs are right out in the hallway, and they're not with me, so they're barking. But anyways, I'm going to get ahead and get on into this, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you do, give it a big thumbs up, and I might check in periodically, but again, it's just probably going to be some music. Hopefully this helps motivate you guys, though, if you have not taken down your Christmas stuff, or maybe you have and you really just need a fresh start for the new year. So hopefully you guys enjoy this, and yeah, without further ado, let's get on with the video. I just wanted to let you all know that all of my cleaning supplies that I'm using in today's video I do get from the Grove Collaborative website. If you have not checked them out, I highly recommend them. I get all of my cleaning supplies from them and I love them. Their scents are incredible. They carry a wide variety, so just about anything you can think of. But that is where I got all my cleaning supplies from. And if you're interested in checking it out and you're a new customer, or even not, and returning, hit the link down below. If you sign up today using that link, you do get a 5-piece gift set for free. And if you're a returning customer, you will get the walnut scrubbers. But I wanted to go ahead and let you guys know about that. Make sure you check it out if you're interested. Also, these bags that I'm picking up, I swear I'm not like this all the time. This was from our trip from Chicago. We had just gotten back. So I'm going to go ahead and carry them upstairs so I can get them unpacked. They did sit here for a couple days, but we got back right around New Year's, so we were gone for New Year's as well. So this is the first chance that I got to put them away, so that's what I'm going to be doing. And I also wanted to let you guys know that I apologize, and some of these clips that are coming up here in a minute, they are a little blurry. My autofocus was not working. I didn't know it was out of focus until I came to edit it, so I do apologize. There's only a few clips, but I did have to cut a lot of footage out because of that, unfortunately. So I'm definitely gonna have to keep a major eye out for that next time to make sure that it is focusing correctly. But it is only a few clips, so bear with it, and I just wanted to apologize and let you guys know that. I wanted to mention this. All of these pine needles, it was insane, y'all. Like, and I get it, it's a real tree. This was our first real tree ever. I wanted to get one for the house. We did end up deciding to donate it, and we're gonna take it to the there's a local place around us that takes old trees to turn into fish habitats, and also where we buy our trees, they plant one for everyone that's cut down. So that was great, and I loved our tree. Oh my gosh, it was so beautiful, but it is messy. And all these right here, I literally swept it as I was cleaning throughout the day. So all of this right here is literally just from us taking all of the decor off the tree and taking the tree out of the base and carrying it outside. It was so much. Like, I don't know why I was so surprised by it, but I was. So I ended up just taking a box and just filling a box that I had that was garbage anyway with them. And we decided we're just probably gonna burn them because they'll burn great. We have a little fire pit out back, but I just thought it was insane the amount of pine needles that fell off that tree.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Nowhere left to run. Oh, trying to bide our time. We know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Oh, swam against your tide, it keeps pulling me in. We fight and we fall, can we rise through it all till we find what we want? Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Though I've tried, I just keep falling all over again. And our hands are tight, can't fight it. Can we go through this again? Will we fight and we fall? Can we rise through it all till we find what we want? Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. You got me lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Lost in the moment.
So that's it, y'all, for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope that it gave you some motivation. Even though most of y'all probably already have your Christmas stuff down, hopefully this helps motivate you to clean something in your house or any room for the new year to give a fresh start. And I hope you guys really enjoyed it. And if you did, give it a big thumbs up because it lets me know that you do. And if you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so because I really appreciate it. And also, if you're not following me on my Instagram accounts, definitely check them out. They're always linked down below in the description box. And until next time, thanks so much for watching, y'all, and I'll see you in my next video. If you want to check out past cleaning videos, or I should say part 1 of this cleaning video, it is linked up above on the left hand side. And if you want to check out another cleaning video of mine, a little bit older of a one that you have not yet seen, it is on the right. And if you want to subscribe, again, this is the center icon. Thanks, you guys.